Acormm, they claim to offer stylish and affordable home essentials like cleaning supplies, kitchen tools, storage items, and decorative pieces. Sounds great, right? But is Acormm actually legit? Let's take a closer look together and break it down. First big red flag: no social media. In today's world, almost every real business has some kind of presence online. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, something. But Acormm? Absolutely nothing. No posts, no accounts, no updates. This is super concerning because legit brands usually use social media to connect with their customers, share updates, and build trust. The complete silence here makes us question how real this business actually is. Next up, let's talk about the product photos. At first glance, the pictures on their website look really professional. But when we ran a reverse image search using Google Lens, guess what? They were all pulled from other websites. Yep, they're using images that don't even belong to them. That's a huge red flag. If they can't show their actual products, how can we trust that they're even selling anything real? Now let's talk about their contact info. On the surface, they seem to check the boxes. There's an email, phone number, and even a physical address listed on the site. But when we searched that address online, it turned out to be just a random residential area. Not a business location at all. That's really shady. Using a fake address? That's not something trustworthy companies do. There's also no company registration number anywhere on the website. This might sound minor, but it's actually a big deal. Without a registration number, there's no way to verify if the business is legally registered or even exists. And when a company claims to have over 15 years of experience, but gives you zero proof, that's a serious concern. Let's talk reviews, or rather, the complete lack of them. There are no reviews on their website. That's already suspicious. But we also checked Trustpilot, Reddit, and other review platforms, and we found absolutely nothing. Think about it. If they've been around for 15 years, how come there's not a single customer review anywhere online? Something just doesn't add up. So, what's the final verdict? Honestly, Acormm raises way too many red flags. No social media presence, stolen product images, fake business address, no company registration, and zero verified reviews. All of this strongly suggests that the website is not trustworthy and might even be a scam. Our advice? Stay away. Don't risk your money. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and online safety tips. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next video.